Hey everybody, Mr. Rieger here. This is your first assignment for our percent unit, and since I couldn't think of any better title for it, I just called it Percent Assignment 1. So this one is more about just recognizing when something is less than or more than something or greater than or less than something, and how much it is, or what part of it it is. So I'm going to kind of go through that and draw a few little things out. Let's see, erase this part off. And the first thing to notice is that you have this box. That's pretty terrible. Hold on. Make that look a little better for you. You got this rectangle cut up into smaller rectangles, and let's just do it into threes. That's not in threes on your assignment, but that's how we're going to do it. And it's in blue, but since I don't have a blue Sharpie, I'm just going to color it in purple some. So you got this rectangle, which is X, an unknown, but we know that it's 1/3. It's split up into three parts. So each one is a third. Okay? 1/3. And then you got Y. Well, here's Y right here. And you're comparing Y to X. So if I would have had this, Y would be equal to X because they're the same size. Okay? But let's say that I did this here. Okay? Well, and then I also had, so right now we could see that Y is bigger than X. In fact, if I draw this out here, it's another third bigger than X. So this one is 1/3 more than what X is. And if I were to create a story with it, I would say Y is equal to, or I'm sorry, Tim is going to the store and bought X books, and Dave bought 1/3 more than what Tim did. Well, this shows what Tim did, and this is what Dave did. And you could see here, if I were to just draw this, that it's 1/3 more than what Tim brought, because Tim bought X books. He bought this many, but Dave bought that many. So this would be Dave down here. This would be Tim, and he bought more. So the colored in portion, or the purple on this one, I think it's blue on your assignment, covers what the X person bought. So in case it's Tim, so I'm just going to keep using Tim and Dave in this scenario. Okay, so let's just say on this one here, I'm going to make it like this. Now notice here that the Y is smaller than the X. So whatever I have here is greater than this. So I could say Tim went to the store and bought X books. And Dave went to the same store and bought 1/3 less books. Well, here's the 1/3 less books right here. Okay? Where is that third? It's gone. It's not there. It is 1/3 less than. So in fact, let me write Tim. I'll write Dave down here, maybe make it a little easier. So Tim bought X books. We don't know how much. I'm just going to say X. But Dave bought 1/3 less than Tim. You could also say that Dave bought 2/3 of what Tim did. 1/2 of what Tim did. It's just a matter of looking at this and determining what this is telling you. Let's do one more. Let's just do this here. Tim went to the store and bought X books. Dave went to the store and bought 1/3 of what Tim did. Or you could say Dave bought 2/3 less than what Tim did, because it is 2/3 that's missing here. 2 of the 1/3 missing here. So he bought. So there's 2 ways you could say it, pretty much. 1/3 of what Tim did, 2/3 less than Tim did. Okay? In fact, I'm going to do another one here. I'll just make it bigger. I'll make this Y here. And then I'm going to have this out here like this. So you can see it better. That's pretty bad. Okay, so Tim went to the store, bought X books. Dave went to the store and bought 2/3 more than what Tim did. So again, if you were to draw lines here, there's a third, here's a third. So this is where that 2/3 comes up. 1/3, 2/3. Dave bought 2 more, because this is what Tim is always going to buy right here. He's not going to actually go over here. That's why this is colored in and this is not. So this is what Tim buys, but here, Dave not only buys what Tim does, but he buys 2/3 more. So kind of use that and those ideas on your assignment, and I will talk to you soon.